Welcome. Today we will be installing the Pipe Dream off-road truck bed shell. This requires completing the fixed top installation prior to starting this installation. You will need to remove the hatch, hinges, and interior panels of the truck bed shell prior to starting this installation. You can choose to install the components in raw aluminum form and paint the truck afterward, or paint the components prior to installation, like we did in this video. Step 1. Place the drill template flush with the outside edges of the Humvee wheel wells. Pre-drill all holes with a 1/8 inch bit. Repeat for opposite side. Now drill all the 1/8 inch holes with a 5/16 inch bit. Step 2. We will be installing the C-pillar filler, shim. We have painted ours black, but that is not required. Temporarily attach it with 1/4 20 screws. Flat head screws will work the best. Now match drill all the 3/16 inch countersunk holes with a 3/16 inch bit. Apply butyl sealant as shown. Don't go too heavy on the sealant if you don't want to clean up squeeze out.
Tube of caulk right there, by the way.
Yeah.
Now secure the filler shims with 3/16 inch flathead rivets. You can clean off excess sealant if you would like. Step 3. Apply butyl sealant as shown. Now place the disassembled shell on the back of the Humvee.
Okay. So we got it.
Loosely install the 1/4 inch bolts with the thick washers where indicated.
It's not gonna go.
Now, loosely install the washer plate with 1/4 inch bolts and regular washers. These bolts will be fully tightened in a later step. Step 4. Put the long washer plate into position and loosely install 1/4 inch bolts with nuts and washers. Repeat for the short washer plate. You can now align the shell and fully tighten all of the bolts. Step 5. Install the C-pillar cover plate. Put the plate into the approximate position and mark the holes with a marker. Pre-drill with a 9/64 inch bit and install the plate with finished screws. The truck bed shell install is now complete. Now you can reinstall the interior panels as well as the hinges and hatch